We have three economies right now, not one, not two, but three. Two of those are booming, although one shouldn't be, and the third one is hurting badly, and it needs help right now. Of course, when you look at the averages, with the Dow dipping 1.2 points today, the S&P gaining 0.58%, the Nasdaq jumping 1.12%, you can't see it because all three groups are mixed together. That's why tonight I'm going to break them down for you. The first and the most exciting is everything connected to artificial intelligence in the data center. We are constantly being told that this is a bubble, an accident waiting to happen. Ever since the launch of ChatGPT in late 2022, the data center's build-out's been responsible for 75% of the S&P 500 returns, 80% of its earnings growth, 90% of capital spending growth. Thank you, Michael Semblis, chairman of market and investment strategy for J.P. Morgan Asset and Wealth Management, for calculating those for us. The bears want to throw freezing cold water on the whole AI complex, which is why they constantly compare it to the end of the dot-com era. I hate that analogy. The heavy hitters in this business, think Meta, Alphabet, Amazon, Dell, Micron, AMD, Microsoft, Broadcom, Oracle, and, of course, NVIDIA, all have incredibly deep pockets. OpenAI is a little more opaque, but they've had no trouble raising money. Oracle might be overspending on data centers. I would argue it definitely is. But worst case, they can sell some stock and offer a whole lot of corporate bonds. And remember, they have a tremendous track record. All of these companies have been criticized for spending on AI like drunken sailors. There's a cottage industry of bears who spent the last couple of years urging you to short these stocks, not just sell, but short them, especially the biggest short of all, NVIDIA. And they never stop. Even though they've been wrong every step of the way, I question how they stayed in business. I've been saying you either believe in the fourth industrial revolution, as described by NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang, or you don't. The bears don't believe it. Could they be right? Of course. But I've been telling people to just buy NVIDIA since I named my dog after the company when the stock was just under $4, and now it's $189. So far, it's paid much more to be a believer. That goes double on a day like today when Micron rallied nearly 6%, Dell gained 9%, and AMD jumped over 11% on data center orders and accelerating growth rates. Those are like takeovers.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.